Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today I got a quick tip for you. I bought this 2006 Chevy Trailblazer from my son, who is getting ready to turn 16 and drive. That's my fourth driver. I have 7 cars now, but that's a whole nother story. It had several problems. I went ahead and changed the plugs. I did the tune up and everything. Running much better, running great. Now, one problem it does have is there were some stains on the headliner back there. And it was wet when I got it, and it had rained that night, so the sunroof was leaking. So I decided to unclog the sunroof, and this is what you're gonna need. A long cable tie, a bottle of water, and this is probably gonna be difficult for you to see, but I have a cable tie stuck in there right now. Let me see if I can put a light on it. Here's a look at that channel. It kind of curves around. You just follow that curve. And there's a hole that goes right into the tube to drain out. If you look inside the sunroof, way back in the front here, on the front on each side, there's one on that front corner and there's one on this front corner. There's a little channel with a hole in it that goes down towards the front. Well, this follows a tube that goes all the way down here, and it comes out that rubber hose you see sticking out right there. It's dripping water right now because I just poured some through, but basically debris, leaves, all kinds of things get stuck in there, and you got to clear it out. What I did first was I poured water into this channel. I poured water into this channel right here, and over on that side, it drained really well, drained out. There's left a big puddle on the floor. This side, it kind of collected. So what I did is I stuck my cable tie in there and just kept digging at it like this. And eventually my cable tie went in further and further. It came out with some dirt on the end. Poured some more water, still puddled up. So I came back with the cable tie. I did that some more. And eventually I ended up with this big puddle on the floor. So that's how you unclog it. That's how I unclogged mine. Quick, easy fix, didn't cost any money, and saves you from having a mess inside. The good news is it all collected over on this side. I was able to clean it off. That was pretty black and nasty. And let me show you what I was able to clean it off with. I used this to clean the interior. The interior of this thing is pretty dirty. Looked like coffee, kids' messes, everything, and it cleaned up so well. This stuff, I bought this at Walmart. It's really cheap, multi-purpose foam cleaner. It's back in the automotive section. Since this has all cloth interior, headliner's cloth, all that cleaned up really good with this, all the carpets. So highly recommend this stuff, and it's cheap. So if you need to clean a car, do that. That's all we have for today, guys. Quick fix on how to fix a Chevy Trailblazer sunroof. Now, I've also done this on a Ford Expedition a long time ago. Exact same process. I think all of them have those little drain tubes up top, and they'll just get clogged up. So while you're up there, clean it out real good. You know, make sure it doesn't happen again. That's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.